At the heart of the driftwood trend lies the concept of Wabi-Sabi, the Japanese philosophy of finding beauty in imperfection and transience. Unlike polished, factory-made furniture, driftwood carries the marks of its history. It has been tossed by waves, kissed by the sun, and polished by the relentless friction of sand and tide. These sculptures are loved because they provide a sense of grounding. In an increasingly digital and fast-paced world, having a piece of the ancient, slow-moving ocean in your living room acts as a visual anchor. It brings a slice of the organic world indoors, reminding us that there is profound elegance in weathered surfaces and gnarled lines. Furthermore, because no two branches are ever the same, owning a driftwood sculpture is a claim to exclusivity. You aren't just buying decor, you are adopting a unique relic that no one else on Earth can possess. The symphony of shapes. When you look at a piece of driftwood, you aren't just looking at wood, you are looking at a personality. Here are a few ways these shapes manifest and the stories they tell. The dancer, these are the pieces that seem to be caught mid-pirouette. They possess sweeping, graceful curves that defy the rigidity usually associated with timber. When you place a dancer in a corner, it invites movement into a static room, appearing as if it might continue its performance once the lights go out. The sentinel, tall, straight, and imposing, these pieces stand with the stoicism of an ancient guard. They are perfect for anchoring a hallway or framing a doorway. There is a quiet strength in their verticality, projecting an aura of protection and steadfastness that makes a home feel secure. The contortionist. These are the wild, unpredictable pieces, twisting, knotty, and complex. They look like they were trying to solve a puzzle while being tossed in the surf. They are conversation starters because they require the viewer to look at them from every angle, discovering new hidden valleys and ridges with every turn. The recliner. These pieces are horizontal, low to the ground, and inherently relaxed. They seem to suggest that even after 1,000 miles of travel, the wood has finally found its spot to rest. They are perfect for coffee tables or mantels, bringing a sense of calm and leisure to the environment. Why they charm the modern home. Beyond the aesthetics, the popularity of these sculptures stems from the emotional connection they foster. A home filled with driftwood feels lived in and loved. It softens the sharp edges of modern architecture. When you pair the organic, earthy tones of driftwood with the sleek, clean lines of modern interior design, you create a perfect balance, a marriage of the wild and the refined. For a creator, these pieces offer endless inspiration. You can incorporate them into wall art, lighting fixtures, or even standalone centerpieces. They are incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into bohemian, Scandinavian, minimalist, or rustic styles. The texture of the wood, often silver gray or bleached white, acts as a neutral palette that complements any color scheme, making it a low-risk, high-reward choice for any design project. Bringing the ocean home. When you curate a space with driftwood, you are curating memories of the sea. You are bringing the rhythm of the tides into your personal sanctuary. It is this silent, rhythmic energy that makes them so beloved. Whether it is a small, intricate piece that fits on a desk or a grand, sculptural installation that dominates a room, driftwood reminds us to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the beauty of natural aging. In every groove and every bleached fiber, there is a testament to resilience. These sculptures prove that even after being battered by the elements, one can emerge stronger, more beautiful, and infinitely more interesting. They are, in essence, the ultimate symbols of transformation, making them the perfect centerpiece for a life well lived. As we continue to explore the intersection of nature and design, remember that the most beautiful pieces are often those that have been allowed to evolve naturally. Whether you are crafting your own art or selecting a piece for your home, look for the rhythm in the grain and the history in the texture. Driftwood is not just an object, it is an experience, a piece of the wild earth brought home to provide comfort, curiosity, and a touch of magic to your everyday life.